Welcome back. It's still Christmas morning 2020. Earlier on, we were at Kowloon Hang. And before I head home to open my presents, I'm going to head up to Robin's Nest. It's just a little further north, as you can see on the map. Just to give you an idea of the scale or size of Hong Kong, I live 50 kilometers to the south where the arrow is. Okay, so we're now going into what we call in Chinese Hong Fa Lang, which literally translated means red flower hill. But that's why I was having a problem looking for it in the map, because on Google Maps there's nothing to do with that. It's called Robin's Nest. So very different name. This is more my kind of road. Nice even surface. I mentioned last time I replaced the airbox lid to the bike. You know what? Power or not, I certainly like it a lot better now. It's quiet. Yeah, I like quiet. And the extra power? Placebo? I don't even have to wear my earplugs now. It's a bit of wind noise, but not so bad. So this is similar kind of road to Huashan, which I videoed earlier on in December, but this is a lot wider. You can drive a car down here, no problem, and less steep. A lot of nice switchbacks here. Just this time of morning, maybe less likely to encounter a hiker or group of them. You never know though. They tend to catch you out by surprise actually a lot of times. Hopefully they'll hear us coming. Oh, this is a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun. Whoa, it's been. I didn't realise it was so tight. Anyway, it was alright. So, track knowledge is important. This is a hairpin bend. Didn't expect that. That was a silly mistake. Well, oh dear me. Whew. Oh dear. She wasn't concentrating. Yeah. Let's put it in gear. It's in gear. Whew. dear. Ah, that's a very silly mistake. Oh dear. Oh. Oh dear. As they call in Chinese, the old cat got its whiskers burnt. It's like a miniature version of Tam O'Shan, Route Twisk. Or a go-kart version, if you want to call it. Wow, beautiful. If we come up here maybe a month later, or maybe, sorry, Chinese New Year, I'm thinking Chinese New Year, so this year is in February. It's a month and a half from now. The weather would be, well, I would imagine significantly different. Usually around Chinese New Year it's considerably wetter, colder. All the more better really for eating that typical Chinese New Year food, which is very heavy, very stodgy. But it's what you want really if you're cold. Kind of misty up here now. I mean, my visor, there are droplets, tiny droplets on my visor. Wow, black kite there, soaring to my right. Actually a load of them up there. Yeah, definitely black kites. Got the V-shaped tail as opposed to a buzzard, which we also get in Hong Kong. Similar wingspan, 4 foot-ish, but a buzzard has a whiter underbelly. The black kite, yeah, it's black. Or in reality, it's not black. It's not like a crow. It's more like a very dark brown, kind of a darker version of a sorry. Lost my train of thought, of a sparrow, I suppose. Yeah, people camping here. Wow, okay. So, Robin's Nest. Oh, Christmas lights, very nice. Ah. Oh, this is a helipad. Well, yeah, I suppose it is. It doesn't have an H though. Một lầu à,條路。係啊係，正正正正。Ooh. Yeah, so the weather's changed now. You can see it's just becoming misty. But it's just beautiful up here. That's what I mean. In Hong Kong, you think you know it, and the next minute you discover something entirely new. So if you're a keen hiker, I'm sure these trails would lead you, yeah, all over the place. I mean, just over there, you can't see it, but I can with my naked eye, but you can see all the high rises. That's a unique thing about Hong Kong, you know. 50-story tall high rises, and then country park. It's amazing, really. So lucky to live here. Right, so it's 7:35 and I said to my friends I better get home, keep my promise to my daughter, get back in time. There is, you know, they were going to go up to Hua Shan, but I figured, yeah, it's a bit cutting a fine if I did that, so better not. So I'm going to head home now, about 50 kilometers. In any case, the weather's sort of changing now. It's misty. You can probably see in the camera as well how it's spots of rain, or not really rain, yeah, just heavy mist. Keep the visor up for now. Wow, this is gorgeous. Absolutely, this road is... Whew. Yeah, so I said definitely cars. So you saw in the end there were people camping, and they came up with a large 7-seater van. So you couldn't do that at Hua Shan for sure. Oh, this is a really nice bit of road. Wouldn't do it on my 1000. It'd just be hard work and too bumpy. But for this bike, perfect. Guy. When I get to the bottom, let's see if I can find some landmarks so I can come back here again next time by myself. Ooh, that was like a roller coaster. Laugh. Dosan. Okay, those statues there. So we're in the beginning now. Okay, we're officially back at the bottom. So we've got alright, Merry Christmas, Sinapalo, Mgosaya.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. In the next episode, I'll take you up to Route Twisk, the namesake of this channel. Until then, goodbye.